Hello, welcome back to class. Today I'm looking at further solving of expressions on integrations. Okay, our last class was integration. So we'll continue from integration this morning. And I would like us to look at this example given to us here. We have integral a over 3x cubed minus ab, the x is equals to what? Minus 2 over 3x squared plus 14x plus c. So we have to find the values of a and the value of b. Okay, so we have this integral a over 3x cubed minus a b. Okay, the x is equals to minus 2 over 3x squared plus 14x plus c. So finding the values of a is as easy as this. I'm comparing these two equations. This one here equals to this, and this ab here is equals to 14. So this is what we'll do, because this is the original form and this is the integrated form. This answer is the integrated form of this expression. So this, I will pick my a over 3x cubed is equals to minus 2 over 3x squared. So this is the two equations that we are taking in order to find a. So for a in this, I will have a over 3. That means we are integrating this. I'll move my x raised to the power of minus 3 up when it's going to become minus 3 equals to minus 2 over 3x squared. Take note, this answer here is already integrated, so we are not going to integrate it. So I'm going to leave it like that. The only one I have to integrate is this first equation here in order to find my a. So I'll have ax, like we did yesterday, minus 3 plus 1 over 3 is equals to what? Minus 2 over, minus 2 over 3x squared. Okay, so I will have ax minus 2 over minus 2 times 3 is equals to minus 2 times x raised to the power of minus 2 over what? 3. Okay, so from this I can cross multiply the equation. We have a x minus 2 divided by 6. Negative 6 will give us what? Minus 2 x minus 2 over 3. So crossing both equations gives us what? 3a into x minus 2 is equals to what? Minus 6 minus 2 will give us 12x minus 2. So I have to cancel x squared, cancel from here. We have 3a is equals to what? 12. So I'll divide both sides by 3. My a is 4. So we've gotten the value of a as 4. Then the next we are looking for minus ab, which is what? 14x. So I'll just write minus ab is equals to 14x. I already have my a, which is 4, so we have minus 4b equals to 14. So remove the x, which we don't need. I'll divide both sides by minus 4, minus 4. So 14 divided by minus 4 will give us what? 3.5, minus 3.5. So we found the value for this expression for a and b. So we'll move further to using integration to find the function of x. So we'll proceed to finding functions. Okay, so you can find the constant of integration c when you are given any point, which is xy, that the curve of the function passes through. Okay, so if you are given any point on your graph, which is xy, that the curve is passing through, you can use it to find your, well, you can find the constant of integration C. Okay, so for example, if you have the y dx, which we did yesterday, the y dx will give us 3, which is equal to 3x squared. Then if you are integrating that, y will give us what? S cubed plus c. So we are going to use this to find our c, given every point on your graph. Okay, so only one of this curve passes through this point. So that means it's your x or your y. We are looking at this. So you choose a point on the curve to find the value of c, given your x and your y value. So we are going to find the constant of integration c. The first thing you do there is to integrate the function. First step, integrate your function. Then after you have integrated your function, you substitute the values, which is x, y of the point on the curve, or the value of the function at the given point, fx is equals to k, into the integrated function. Then you can go ahead to solve the equation to find your c. So this is what we'll be doing to find the function using our integration. So given this example here, the curve x with equation y equals to f of x passes through the point 2 and 15. Given that f of x is 5x squared plus 3x, find the equation of x. So we are going to be finding the equation. So the first step, like I said earlier, you integrate the given function. So the function we have here, we have f x equals what? 5x squared plus 3x. Okay, so we're going to integrate this. This is going to give us 5x, 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3, then plus 3x, 1 plus what? 1 divided by 2, then plus our c. Okay, so this is what we have. So I'll have 5x cubed divided by 3 plus 3x squared divided by 2 plus c. So we have this on this. We'll proceed here. So since the first step we have done integration, then you have to substitute the values, which we have is passing through the point 2 and 15. So this point simply means this is x and this is y. So we are given our function, which is y equals to this. Then I have y, which is 15, equals our x is 2, so I will substitute 2 for that over 3 plus 3 into x, which is also still 2 over 2 plus c. We don't know what c is. We are looking for that c. So I have 15 equals to 5 multiplied by 8 divided by 3 plus 3 multiplied by 4 divided by 2 plus c. We have 15 equals to 14 over 3 plus 12 over 2 plus c. So that will give us what? Looking for the LCM of this, we will have 6 here. So this gives me 80 plus 36. So 15 will give us 80 plus 36. We have 116 over 6 plus c. So our c will be 15 minus 116 over 6. Is that okay? So subtracting, sorry, what 15 minus 116 over 6. I want to remove this. So looking for the LCM of this, I have 16 multiplied by this gives 90 minus 116. So 116 minus 90 will give us 24 by 6. Okay, so 24 by 6 will give us, that's minus 24 by 6, which will give us and minus 4. Sorry, this is 26, not 24, so I have 26 over 6. That gives us 4, 2 over 6. Things 4 over 6 will give us minus 4, 1 over 3. Okay, so we have minus 4, 1 over 3 for the value of C. So I can put it into my equation. So I put it into my equation. Y equals 5s cubed over 3 plus 3x squared over 2. Our C is minus 4 whole number 1 over 3. So this is what we have for f of x. Okay, so this is what we have there. We'll proceed to the next question here. Given that this curve x with equation y equals to what? Fx passes through the point 4 and 5, given that f of x is equal to this. So the first thing we have to do, we have to integrate. So we have the equation f of x is equal to x squared minus 2 divided by root x. This gives us x squared over root x minus 2 over root x. Okay, so we know that x squared divided by x raised to the power of half minus 2 divided by x raised to the power of half. So we can have this as x raised to the power of half times x raised to the power of minus half minus 2 times x raised to the power of what? Minus half. Okay, so now we integrate with respect to x. We'll move this together. This is 2 plus minus half on this. 2 plus minus half, that's 2 minus half. We give us 2 minus half. We have 4 minus 1, which is 3 over 2. So I have x raised to the power of 3 over 2 minus 2 x raised to the power of minus half. So integrating, I will have to add 1 to this and add 1 to this. So 3 over 2 plus 1 will give us 3 plus 2, that is 5 over 2. So we have x here as 5 over 2 divided by 5 over 2 minus half plus 1 will give us half, that is 2 x raised to the power of half divided by half. Okay, so now we have finished our integration. The next step is to substitute those values for the integrated expression. We have our point 4 and 5. That means at that point x is 4, y is 5. Okay, so I'll substitute that. That means 5 will give me x, which is 4, raised to the power of 5 over 2 divided by 5 over 2 minus 2 into raised to the power of what? X is what? 4 raised to the power of 1 over 2 over 1 over 2 plus c. Okay, so we are looking for our c, and that I will have 5 equals to 4, there will be square root of 4 minus 2 into what? Square root of 4 divided by half plus c divided by 5 over 2. So square root of 4 there gives us 5 equals to what? 2 raised to the power of 5 divided by 5 over 2 minus 2 multiplied by 2 over half plus c. So we have 5 is equals to 2 raised to the power of 5 will give us 32 divided by 5 over 2 minus 4 divided by half plus c. So 32 divided by 5 over 2 will give us 32 times 2 over 5 minus 4 divided by 1 over 2 will give me 4 times 2 over 1 plus C, which is equals to 5. So 5 is equals to 64 over 5 minus 8 plus C. So we have our LCM here, which is 5. So I have 65 minus 14 plus C. 5 is equals to 65 minus 40, 25. 64, sorry, 64 minus 14 plus 65. That gives 24. 64 minus 40 gives 24 over 5 plus C. So the value of C becomes 5 minus 24 over 5. Looking for the lowest common multiple, I have my 5, that's 25 minus 24. So the C value will give us what? 1 over 5. So this is what we have. So we can bring to our equation. For f of x is equals to what? S squared minus 2 minus 2 into root x, okay, which we integrated as x raised to the power of 5 over 2 divided by 5 over 2, then minus 2 x raised to the power of half divided by half plus c, which we got as well, 1 over 5. Let's take a look at this example. The curve C with equation y equals to x passes through the points 1 and 2, and f of x is equal to what? 2x cubed minus 1 over x squared. So find the equation of C in the form of y equals to what? F of x. So that is what we are looking at. So we have our equation f x is equals to what? 2x cubed minus 1 over x squared. So we have to integrate that. That is 2x, 3 plus 1 divided by 4 minus 1 into x minus 2. Okay, so this is what we have there. I'm going to have 2 x raised to the power of what? 4 divided by 4 minus 1 x minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 plus c. Okay, we have 2x raised to the power of 4 over 4 minus 1 into what? X minus 2 plus 1 gives us minus 1 over minus 1 plus c. So we are going to substitute the values we have given at 1 and 2. This is our x and this is our y. So I'll have y, which is 2, equals the value of x is 1. So I'll just have 1 raised to the power of 4 into 4 minus 1 into 1 raised to the power of minus 1 into minus 1 plus c. That gives us 2 equals to what? 2 multiplied by 1 divided by 4 minus 1, and 1 raised to the power of minus 1 will give us over 1. Okay, so we have over 1 times 1 we have times 1 multiplied by minus 1 plus c. So that means we have 2 is equals to 2 over 4 minus 1 over minus 1 plus c. That means we have 2 equals 2 over 4 plus 1 plus c. So looking for our C value, we have 2 plus 4 here plus C, which gives me 2 equals 6/4 plus C, right? So our C becomes 2 minus 6/4, which is 4. 8 minus 6, C equals 2/4, which gives half. So writing our equation, we have f of x will give us, what do we have? We have 2x raised to the power of 4 divided by what? 4 plus 1/x plus our c, which is 1/2. So that is the answer for this. Please try more examples, more questions you can lay your hands on. Thank you. So this is how to solve for our expressions in finding functions using integration.